And in ultrasonography, we found that there was a fatty liver decrease in about 80% of the population. It was not significant because 20% is not significant, but it was quite, everybody had, the significant was that everybody had an improvement, but only 80% had a full rebound. BMI, BMR was in the normal range, and this is all our results were significant in all of these variables, very significant. And then we looked at long-term effects. And what we found that after 7 months and only 6 treatments, there was an ASD was ultimately decreased. That's a study that was done in Kuala Lumpur at the Swiss clinic in Malaysia. And what they also found, they found ALT and when the ALT was higher, it went down to the normal range, and when it was lower, it went up to the normal range. So basically, it balanced the hormones. It balanced those. This was the most important thing. The GGT was the same effect. Some people had actually low GGT that was increased to be in the normal range, and the cortisol, same thing. Because if you have low cortisol, you can have Addison's disease, so it's no good. So if you have too high, you're going to have Cushing's disease. So the important thing is the balance. This is what's going to keep you healthy. And T3 was also significantly increased. This is my books that I have written. I've written 3 books that have been translated in 12 languages, and the articles that I have based all of this research of the PowerPoint that you heard today. And with this, I would like to thank you. And if you need to reach me, you can reach me at science@IELLIOS.com. Thank you.
Thank you for